What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to install a sub and an amp to a stock radio. So as you guys can see, this is a 2010 Honda Civic. It's got a stock radio. I'm not even going to touch the radio to install this. So basically, I got my amp right here, and everything is wired regularly except for these wires right here. Two of these. So basically, I got my power, I got my ground, I got everything hooked up. The one that's running to the sub, everything's hooked up. So now I'm going to show you this right here. This is what's going to allow me to connect this amplifier to the stock radio. So basically, inside this box, you have this little thing. You have this little controller, and then this one goes all the way to the radio, and this is what's going to control the sub. So basically, this little box, all this little box is, here's the part number, in case somebody wants this. Basically, all you're going to do is connect these wires to your speakers, to your left speaker, to your right speaker. Then you're going to send this one to your amp, hook it up to your amp where the power source is, and also the blue one, hook it up to your remote where to your amp also. And then these are usually the ones that are in the back of the stereo. So instead of hooking the ones that run from your amp to the stereo, you're going to hook them to this, and it's going to steal the signal from your speakers. Alright, so I got my wires hooked up. I got my power, which is the yellow, hooked up to the power here together. Then I got my remote right here hooked up to the other remote one for this. And then I spliced into my speakers on the radio on each side, and I got everything pretty much hooked up. I'm using these little sleeves. And basically what you do is you just put a little bit of fire to it, a little flame, and it shrinks it up. This is what it is. Then put the last one on, get a flame under it, and it should shrink it. That's all there is to it. That way I don't have to solder it. Run the flame one more time. And that's it. So now what you want to do is, it came with this little key. And what you do is you put it in here. This controls the level. You turn it down. You turn this one down. And now you turn on your music, and you could go ahead and tune it. So basically what you do is you go about 3/4 of the way up on the radio. Once you start hearing, you keep going past the 3/4 mark. Once you start hearing distortion on the speakers, you turn it down a little bit until you don't hear that distortion. Then you come back here and you start messing with the level, and you start going up on your sub. Once you start hearing distortion, you go ahead and you turn it down just a pinch. Alright, so I got everything hooked up. The sub is working. I would put the volume up, but I don't have my microphone for my camera right now, so it'll probably sound all distorted and all messed up, but that's gonna be it on how you hook this up. Alright, so I showed you guys what you guys need if you guys want to install a sub into a stock radio. And I think that's going to be it for this video. And I got some more updates on the motorcycle I'm going to be posting up. And Monday, or actually Tuesday, I'll be hydro dipping the fuel tank. So you guys can check that out too.